What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, and in this video we'll be going to Preston, Lancashire, and yeah, so we'll spend a couple of days there. But yeah, just a normal travel vlog around the UK. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hello guys, so what's up? So I'm at the train station right now, and the train leaves around 10:14 a.m. so I have to wait just a bit, but yeah, we move. Alright guys, so I'm on my way to Preston, and it's a 4-hour trip from Reading. I also had to use a bus at some point during the train trip, as part of the railway is unable to run, hence why I have to use the bus, known as a rail replacement service. Hello guys, welcome to Preston, day one. And yeah, we'll just first go around. Preston has really good residential houses, so, and right now I'm in residential estates in Preston, and I think the houses are pretty nice, and yeah, we'll just explore the place a little bit. So yeah, so far I have noticed that Preston has really good high quality residential housing compared to other parts of the UK. Look at this estate, for example, developed by Story Homes. Story Homes is a well regarded house building company in the UK, and this estate comprises a collection of 4, 5 and 6 bedroom detached and semi-detached homes designed for modern living and built to last, offering more than your average new build. The estate is also in close proximity to Fulwood Central, which is a retail park that includes businesses such as Aldi, B&B, Greggs, Subway and Coaster. As such, you can get your essentials and eat and relax. Right next to the retail park is a business village known as the Eastway Business Village, and if you are a business owner looking for an office, there are good modern office spaces to buy from. Preston, Lancashire has a ton to offer. I visited the town centre, and before the High Street I went through their university district. The University of Central Lancashire is a public university and is the only university in Preston, Lancashire. And if you are looking to go into film, then you should consider University of Central Lancashire, as it is the only university in the UK that offers a feature film module. So I'm in the Preston town centre, and right now I'm in the university area, and we'll be going to the Fishergate shopping centre. So yeah. The city's main high street is the Fishergate and Friargate, which offer shops, bars and restaurants, with many more tucked away down the side streets. Near the High Street is a museum known as the Harris Museum, and this museum offers a collection of fine art, decorative art, costume, textiles, history including collections on archaeology and local history. The Winckley Square Gardens is in very close proximity to the Highstreet and the Harris Museum. It's a very beautiful green space surrounded by period architecture. As such, you can enjoy some quiet reflection amongst the trees, take a picnic, and just sit back and relax. The transport is decent. I mostly moved around using the bus, and there are good public footpaths and cycle routes. However, transport is not as sophisticated like Manchester with the use of tram. Alright guys, so I'm heading back to Reading. Preston was really good. It's a nice town and you can easily get to Manchester, UK by train in within 38 minutes. And yeah, I have a long way to go back to Reading and I still have a ton of traveling to do around the UK. My next stop is Scotland, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video and make sure to like, comment and subscribe.